All right. What is up? There are some things that you can do, and maybe some of you have this question. If I am in Agios Nikolaos or if I am in Elounda, what to do? If you are in Agios Nikolaos, you can visit Elounda, you can visit Plaka, you can take a trip to Spinalonga. But what if you are in Elounda? What do you want to do? You want to go to the Kulukita beach. It's a very beautiful beach. And now I will put the GoPro on the car and drive to the beach. And I will try to also fly the drone if it's not windy to capture the beach as well, to show it to you and also show you the street. And then we are gonna come explore Elounda, what's going on and what is not going on. All right, so here we arrived to like a parking area. There is a church. First we are going to explore that church a little bit, and I can see up on the hill, I can see some ruins. I don't know what exactly it is, but it's going to be a cool expedition video to someday hike there and see what is it there. Yeah. It looks magnificent. I can see. You will also see later with the drone footage. It's a very nice breeze. I'm kind of thinking to walk to the beach. I haven't been here before physically present, but I have flown the drone. But now that I am here, I can draw all sort of ideas to be snorkeling. It's very shallow, it's very wide. You can kind of compare it to Balos and to Elafunisi beach. It is magnificent. It's very beautiful, but the beach area is not too wide. It is not a very big beach that you will see with the drone footage what I'm talking about. So if you really want to squeeze the juice out of this beach, I think the best time will be early season and also not on weekends, because on the weekends the beach will be full of people and I think there is not a problem with that. If you just come, you want to be in the water, you can see other people, you can socialize, that's not a problem. But my point is, some people are very delicate. They like that little a bit of the touch to walk to the beach and not being bothered to bring their stuff and then put their towel and just chill and relax. If you are that person, you gotta come early. But if you just don't mind being around other people, then it's okay. Yeah, I'm one of those who can handle both, but I prefer the much more like when the beach is not too crowded. Yeah, that's just me. Anyways, uh, if you are in Agios Nikolaos, if you are in Elounda, if you are in Heraklion, or if you are in Crete overall, if you are looking to hunt a beautiful place, then this should be in your bucket list. And you can, if you are a good swimmer, then you can go and swim to that island over there, which is also a very good thing. We were over there and I drove here, parked the car, and now I'm standing right in front of this place. It's called Ergospasio, and it is Cretan cuisine. And also there is a little bit of the history written here. If you come, you can read it by yourself. All right, so now I talked to the guy who owns the taverna, this one, Racomilo, and he was saying, if you can see in the background, there is somewhat structure, but they are allowed to put their seats and chairs outside, but they are not allowed to build this shade area, which is construct of various materials. But also, I guess he mentioned that if you were putting an mobile umbrella, that's also allowed. This was it for Elounda. Elounda is still charming. It is still beautiful. It's a warm day. It's a pleasant day. I can smell the smell of the sport and some fish here and there. I can hear the people and all of that good stuff. And now I will fly the drone and I will capture some awesome and epic clips of this area and put it at the end of the video. And I think I'm also feeling a bit tired as well. It's been a long day. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section. Share your ideas. And if you want to support me, support the channel, my PayPal account link, Patreon account link in the description. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. And other than that, until the next time, peace.